Day 1 of finding a place in map that you didn't know existed. In today's episode, we have Bear Islands, Norway.
Located in the Barents Sea, is one of the most remote and uninhabited places on Earth. It lacks any permanent settlements with only a small weather station maintained by the Norwegian government. Historically, Bear Island served as a hunting ground for sealers and whalers during the 17th and 18th century. It was also a base for scientific research expeditions, particularly during the exploration of the Arctic region in the 19th and 20th century. Bear Island has also had strategic significance due to its location along the major shipping routes in the Arctic. During World War II, it served as a weather observation station and a refueling stop for the Allied convoys.